If you're seeing the Gmail error 535.7.8, don't worry, because this usually means your email app or third-party service is trying to sign in with a password that Gmail won't accept. The good news is that this is often a quick fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the issue step by step, and if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. First, you need to enable two-step verification on your Google account. Open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com/security. Once you're there, look under the section called How You Sign In to Google. Find the two-step verification option and click it. If it's not already turned on, follow the prompts to complete the setup. Google may ask you to confirm your phone number, choose your preferred verification method, and verify your identity. This step is important because app passwords are only available when two-step verification is enabled, so if you've never turned that on before, this is the first thing you need to do before moving forward. After two-step verification is active, the next step is to generate an app password. Open a new tab and go to myaccount.google.com/apppasswords. This page lets you create a special password for apps and devices that don't support the normal Google sign-in process. Under Select App, choose Mail, or choose the specific app you're using if it appears in the list. Then click Generate. Google will create a 16-character app password for you. Copy that password carefully because this is the code you'll use instead of your regular Gmail password. Make sure you copy it exactly as shown with no extra spaces. Now go to the third-party email client or application where the error is happening. This could be an email app, a desktop mail client, a scanner, a CRM, or any service that connects to your Gmail account. Open the account settings, find the password field, and replace your normal Gmail password with the new app password you just generated. Save the settings, then reconnect or sign in again if the app asks you to. In many cases, this immediately fixes the 535.7.8 error because Gmail now recognizes the login through the app-specific password. If it still doesn't work right away, double-check that two-step verification is fully enabled, that you copied the app password correctly, and that you pasted it into the right account settings. Also make sure there are no old saved credentials interfering with the connection. Once everything is updated, your Gmail account should connect properly again. So to quickly recap, turn on two-step verification, generate an app password, and then update your email app or service with that new password. That's the proper way to fix the Gmail error 535.7.8 in most cases. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more useful fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.